In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your booking page in Wix. We'll walk through creating a dedicated booking page inside the Wix editor so you can control exactly how your visitors see and use your appointment or service bookings. Make sure you're already logged into your Wix account and have your site open in the editor before we begin. First, look toward the left side of the Wix editor for the Pages panel. You'll see a small arrow icon next to the current page name. Click on that arrow. This opens up a panel that gives you quick access to all the pages on your site, and it's where you'll manage or add new ones. Once that panel is open, click on Manage Pages. This brings up the full list of pages in a more detailed view. From here, you can reorder pages, rename them, hide them from the menu, and most importantly for us, create a new page for your bookings. Now, in the Manage Pages panel, look for the option that says Add Page and click it. This is how you create a brand new page that you can dedicate to your bookings, instead of using a generic layout or trying to squeeze everything into an existing page. When Wix asks what kind of page you want to create, choose Blank Page. Selecting a blank page gives you the most flexibility. You're starting from a clean slate, which is ideal if you want full control over the design, layout, and content surrounding your booking section, like text, images, or FAQs. After the blank page is created, you'll want to connect it to your booking system. To do that, look for the option labeled Bookings Pages in the panel or menu that appears. Click on Bookings Pages. This is where Wix keeps its pre-built booking layouts that are already connected to your Wix Bookings app. You'll see different booking page options, such as layouts for services, classes, or appointments. Browse through these until you find a style that fits the experience you want your visitors to have. When you're ready, select the booking layout you want to use. Clicking to select it will add that booking section to the blank page you created. From here, you can customize the design just like any other element in Wix. Adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and surrounding content to match your brand. Once you're happy with it, don't forget to save and publish your site so your new booking page goes live for your visitors.